Hello viewers, welcome to the course on matrix computation and its application. I am Dr. Vivek Kumar Agarwal, working as a faculty in the Department of Applied Mathematics, Delhi Technological University, Delhi. So, we know that whenever we collect some data, like these days we are talking about data science and machine learning. So, whenever we are going to collect the data, we are going to save this data numerically in terms of matrices, like we save the data in an Excel file. So, in that file we have rows and columns. So, that data can be interpreted as saved in the matrix form. So, to analyze this data, we need to study this matrix form of corresponding to the given data. So, in this case, in real life this data size is not small, it is in fact it is a very big data. So, now to study this data and matrix form, we need to do some analysis mathematically, so that we are able to convert or transform this matrix into the simpler matrix, so that we should be able to analyze this data. So, in that case we want to study basically the vector spaces generated by the rows of the given matrix, or the column spaces generated by the columns of the given matrix. So, this course is all about such type of issues, that how we can interpret the data from the given matrix. So, in this course we start with the linear algebra, the basics, which is highly required to study the data science or machine learning. So, we start with the course with some basics on linear algebra, like we will talk about the vector spaces, subspaces, bases and their dimensions. Then we will discuss about the linear transformations and how the linear transformations are associated with a given matrix of order maybe m cross n. Then from there we will discuss the change of bases and the inner product space. Now, after that we want to study the sensitivity analysis. So, for this we need to introduce the norms in the case of matrices. So, we will discuss the matrices norm to study the sensitivity analysis and the condition number of a given matrix. So, after that we will also discuss some banded matrices. Banded matrix means that the matrix having a tridiagonal shape or the pentadiagonal shape, positive definite matrices, and then we will study some convergent analysis of some iterative methods. So, after that we know that the data we collect need not be in the square form, like the number of rows should not be equal to the number of columns. So, in that case how we can generalize the concept of inverse of a given matrix or maybe eigenvalue of a given matrix. So, in the end of this course we will study about QR factorization, that how we can transform the matrix into the orthogonal form. And then we will also discuss that if a given matrix is not a square matrix, it is a rectangular matrix, then how we can study or how we can apply the concept of inverse in terms of pseudo inverse, and that is given by Morey-Penrose theorem. And then we will study the generalization of the eigenvalues in terms of singular values of a given matrix, and then we will study the singular value decomposition. So, this way we will be able to finish our course. So, I hope that this course will be very beneficial for all the students from UG and PG who wants to take their majors in terms of machine learning or data science or scientific computing. So, in the end I want to thank the NPTEL team and IIT Delhi for making all the arrangements to materialize this course. And I also want to thank Professor Yogesh Singh, the Vice Chancellor of Delhi Technological University, for his encouragement. So, I hope that this course will be very beneficial to all of you and you will enjoy this course. So, thanks very much.